Hi guys, I'm Zoe from CoinF Master, and this is how you create an account and complete KYC on OKX Exchange. OKX Exchange, or formerly known as OKX, now is getting more and more attention from crypto traders around the world. If you haven't joined this exchange yet, this is a chance for you because we are having a hot prize for all newcomers on this exchange just by signing up and completing KYC. Now let's jump into the video. So first, what you need to do is go to OKX.com and click on sign up. Enter your emails and password. For the referral ID, you can use our referral code to get 20% discount for all of your trading fees on OKX. You can find it in the description below. Next, there will be a code sent to your email. Copy and paste it here. Like this. And that's it. Welcome to OKX. So now, to get used to the layout of OKX, you can choose User and then choose Overview. This is really helpful for newcomers. Now let's work on 2FA for your account security. Just go to User, then Settings. On the mobile verification here, click on Set. First, fill in your new phone number, and then you will need to get the code via your email, so click Get the code. And go to your email, there will be a code sent to you. Copy and paste it here. Now you need to fill in the SMS code by clicking Get Code here. There will be a code sent to your phone. Type it in here and then click Confirm. So next, we will move on the funds password security. Here, just click on Set. And then you will need to fill in your funds password here and guess the SMS code like the previous step that I have just shown you. Click Get Code and type in the code that you receive on your phone. And then click Confirm. The last one is the Authenticator app. This one is like a bit more complicated. On this Authenticator tab, click on Set. You will have to Google Authenticator and install the extensions. Follow the step that I did on screen like this. Then click on Scan QR code. You just need to drag and choose the QR code area like this, and now just wait. Next is to get SMS code and type it in here. Then copy the code from Authenticator and click Confirm. And that's it. Your account is super secured now. Now, in order to lock in the referral code earlier and start trading, you need to do the KYC. Go to User and then choose Verifications, and then choose Individual Account. Here, you just fill in your basic information and then click on Submit. That is for level 1 verifications. Now let's move on level 2. Click on Continue level 2 verifications. If your PC doesn't have any camera, you can continue this step on your phone. Just check your information here and then click on Confirm. Now you need to take the front and back photo of your documents, which can be your ID card, your passport, or your drive license. And then complete the facial recognition. And that's it. You're done with the verification process. Now you only need to wait for the review process. This should take only about 1 or 2 hours. And when it's done, you will be notified through your email. If you're looking for a complete walkthrough of OKX or any other exchanges, Please check out the links down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kite Master because it's free. And also, don't forget to turn on the notifications bell because we have much more bonuses that we cannot wait to share with you guys. See you in the next video.